All right, today we're going to be talking about one of the most slept on DaVinci Resolve features that I love to use, especially when I'm doing beauty shoots. It's called Texture Pop. It's an effects plugin, and I use it to smooth out skin or add a little more detail sometimes, depending on what we want to be doing. And the beautiful thing about this is it's easy enough for pretty much anyone to use. You do have to have the paid version of DaVinci Resolve. It costs $300. It's probably the best $300 you could ever spend. I highly recommend it if you're doing video editing, coloring, things like that, if you're making a lot of videos. I like it better than Premiere or Final Cut or Avid. If you want a video on that later, let me know. But anyway, so what we're going to do here, what Texture Pop does is, let's see our beautiful model here, right? Look at her skin and pay attention to the texture here, right? Isn't that nicer? Just kind of smooth things out. You still keep detail where you want it, but it just looks nicer, right? Off, on, off, on. All right, so here's how it works. We'll make a new node here. We've made a new node. Type in Texture Pop, bring it over to the node, and we're going to go from simple to advanced. And the main thing is you want to be very judicious in the way you use this. You don't want to overdo it because then it starts to look fake. And you almost never need to touch rough or coarse. These are for more like global changes to the entire image. Once you get to medium and smaller, you start affecting the actual skin. And we're just gonna, you can just play around with these sliders until you find a look you like literally just play with it. It's easy enough to use. So with medium, usually you can see how it kind of makes it blotchy here. We're gonna take it down until we got no blotches, but just a little bit, just the bare minimum, okay? And then for small, it's kind of like pits in the skin, pimples, things like that, at least on this camera and lens right here at this focal length. And so we're just gonna take it down until things kind of smooth out. See, a very small amount. Fine is kind of more so like pores. We're gonna take it down till it's a little smooth. All right. And then for tiny is like really tiny stuff. It's almost like film noise almost. It's almost that tiny. But you see, if we take it all the way down, the image looks kind of blurry. It's like totally smoothed out. I actually bring tiny up a little bit to bring back a little small detail. It gives the impression that you haven't been smoothing out the image. And that's it. So you see, we've been very judicious about the adjustments we've made. And so off, on, off, on. And doesn't that look better? And that's it. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you want to see how I color graded this whole project, I can make a video on that for you too. I think it turned out really nice. Very pleasant, beautiful sort of pinks and blues. So yeah, let me know. And that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.